Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Elena. It's an amazing day to be a Panther.
Panthers, do you know what day is today?
Miss Hannah's chemistry classes want to wish everyone a happy Mole Day today.
Mole Day is a chemistry holiday celebrated every year on October 23rd from 6:02 a.m. to 6:02 p.m. to honor the mole, the most useful number in chemistry calculation. The mole is a number with a value of 6.02 times 10 to 23rd.
If you're interested in discovering more information about Mole Day, visit the national website for US Mole Day.
In Heritage Club news, the Black Student Unions, also known as BSU, first official meeting is this Thursday, October 26. Meetings are in Miss Sharp's room 6101. Please stop by for a permission slip.
Panthers, are you good at math? Heritage Mathletes is looking for competition club members. Mathletes Club begins this Thursday and runs through the Mathletes competition in January 2024.
The club will meet every Thursday starting this Thursday, October 24th in Miss Lloyd classroom 4218. If you have any question about joining, please email.
Students, are you in need of community service hours? Well, listen up. Here's a way to earn community service hours and have some fun. Elite Fitness Center is looking for volunteers for their work for the trunk or treat on Saturday, October 28th from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m.
There will be food, games, contests, candy, and music. They need 4 or 5 students to help and will give community service hours. If you're interested, please see Coach Kinsel in room 6217.
Cross Country is having a spirit night at Long Dodgers tonight. 10% of the sales will go to the Heritage High Cross Country team because they are in need of new supplies for the team and the cross country events.
Please come out and support your cross country Panthers and have a great meal.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!